Hello friends, and welcome to part 2 of our video on embedded images as a part of the logical reasoning series by btechguru.com. Now in the first part we saw what these embedded images are and how we can identify them. Okay, now I am going to take up two more examples with you. Okay, so if you take a look at your screen, X is pretty simple now. We have to find out which diagram contains this X. Okay, so if you take a look at the first one, it doesn't really have a cross, an X. The second one does, but it is more of a hollow figure. Okay, the second diagram has this kind of an X, which I am not looking for. Okay, what I am looking for is a simple X using two lines. Similarly, the third figure doesn't contain a proper X, this kind of an X. So I will look at option 4. Option 4 does contain this. Okay, it is just an extension. If I join these two like this, and I join this, and I join this, so this is my fourth figure. So this X is contained in that diagram. Okay, and in that club, in that diagram of a club, there is an X present. Okay, and I just join this, and I get my club. So I will select answer choice D. Okay, that is the fourth one. Similarly, let's take a look at one more. This is slightly more complex. Okay, so you have to use your visualizing skills for this. My X looks slightly different over here. Okay, my X is, it goes like this, then goes straight, diagonally up and down. Okay, and then it goes at an angle, and yeah. Okay, so this is my X. Now which of these diagrams fulfills this condition? Okay, you might be tempted to go with 3, but keep in mind, or 2, that this drop doesn't happen at the center as it is happening in the third one, and neither does it touch the bottom, this line. Okay, it's not like this, it's not like this, so it will not be 3. If you see the fourth one, okay, if you see number 4, that will give you a clearer picture. This diagram is embedded in the fourth one. Let me quickly try and draw this, the fourth one. So I have a square, and I am going to split this square at the center. I am going to draw a line at the bottom. Then I am going to, from the center, I am going to draw a line up. I'll draw a line down. Okay, it's a slightly complicated one, this particular diagram. I am going to join this at the bottom. Gonna extend it further and join this here, and I am going to join a diagonal, and I am going to join a diagonal. Okay, so this is a representation of figure number 4, and this was the figure that I am trying to fit in. Yeah, this is my X. So can I fit in X over here? Let me see. My X will be this, down, down to the end, up and down. So yes, I can fit in figure X into 4. So that will be my answer choice. Okay, slightly complicated, but if you visualize properly, you will be able to solve it in a couple of minutes. So this is how we solve problems on embedded images, friends. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll select answer choice D, that is 4, as my answer. Okay, so I hope this video was beneficial for you on embedded images, and I'll see you again in another video on our series from btechguru.com.